With high interest rates and decreasing affordability, it's more important than ever to know about the different programs and loan options that can help you secure your dream home. In this video, I'm diving into the VA loan program, breaking down everything you need to know from who's eligible to the types of properties they can buy, and of course, all the amazing benefits it has to offer. If we have not yet met, my name is Krystal-Gail Marsh, a licensed realtor and entrepreneur serving the Silicon Valley and South Bay area. And on this channel, I go over all things real estate and Silicon Valley. So, if you enjoy this type of content, then you will love this channel. So make sure you subscribe and join the family. Now let's talk about VA loans. They are an incredible benefit for veterans, active duty service members, and even some surviving spouses. They are offered through the Department of Veteran Affairs, and they are all about making home ownership more accessible to those who have served our country. So let's get into the nitty-gritty, starting off with the eligibility. To qualify for a VA loan, you'll need to 1. Be a veteran or service member. This includes all veterans, active duty service members, or sometimes even a surviving spouse. Number 2, meet service requirements. Typically, you need to have served 90 consecutive days during wartime, 181 days during peacetime, or 6 years in the National Guard or Reserves. Number 3, get your Certificate of Eligibility, also known as your COE. Now, this is your golden ticket to a VA loan, and you can snag it through the VA's e-benefits portal or just ask your lender for help. Now, let's talk about property types. One of the coolest things about VA loans is the flexibility with property types. Here's what you can buy. Single family homes, which is perfect if you're looking for that classic American dream. Condos and townhomes. As long as they're VA approved, you're good to go. Multi-unit properties. So, you have dreams of being a landlord, huh? You can buy up to a 4-unit property, as long as you live in one of those units. Manufactured and modular homes. Yup, those are on the list too, as long as they meet VA standards. Now that we have gone through the property types, let's talk about the various benefits of VA loans. So, why go with a VA loan? Let's check out the perks. 1, no down payment. And that's a big one, that's right. Many VA loans don't require a down payment, making it easier to jump into home ownership. Competitive interest rates. VA loans often have lower rates than conventional loans, which means more savings in your pocket. No private mortgage insurance. Unlike conventional loans, you skip the PMI, which can save you big bucks over time. Flexible credit requirements. The VA is generally more forgiving when it comes to credit scores, making it easier for you to qualify. Lower closing costs. The VA limits the closing costs you have to pay, and sometimes the seller might even cover them for you. No prepayment penalties. Want to pay off your loan early? Go for it. There are no penalties, giving you more financial flexibility. Assumable loans. This is a big one. If you sell your home, a VA loan can be transferred to the buyer, which can be a very big selling point, even if that buyer wouldn't be able to qualify for a VA loan themselves. Funding fees. While there is no PMI, there is a funding fee, and it helps keep the VA program running and can be rolled into your loan amount, so you don't have to pay for it up front. The VA funding fee is a one-time fee paid to the Department of Veteran Affairs. Now, while most veterans pay 2.15%, this fee ranges from 0.5% to 3.3%, depending on the loan type, if you've used a VA loan before, or if you have a down payment greater than 5%. Now, before we get into how to get started with a VA loan, a gentle reminder to subscribe to join our family and hit the bell for updates, as it truly helps the channel out. Alright, are you ready to dive into the steps? Here's your roadmap to getting that VA loan. Number 1, confirm your eligibility. Make sure you meet the service requirements and gather all your documents. Number 2, get your Certificate of Eligibility, the COE. This document proves you're eligible for a VA loan, and you can get it through the VA's e-benefits portal or with your lender's help. Check your credit. Even though VA loans are flexible with credit, it's still a good idea to know where you stand and fix any issues beforehand. Find a VA approved lender. Work with a lender who knows the ins and outs of a VA loan to guide you through the process. And if you need help with that, we are happy to do so, and our contact information is below in the description box. Apply for pre-approval. This step will give you a clear idea of how much you can borrow and show sellers that you mean business. Next, select a property. Pick a home that fits VA loan requirements and is your primary residence. Complete the loan application. Once you've found your home, complete the loan application with your lender. Then you'll undergo the underwriting process. Your lender will review your financial situation and the property to make sure everything checks out. And finally, close on the loan. After approval, you'll go through the closing process, and then congratulations, you're officially a homeowner. And that's a wrap on VA loans. I hope this breakdown has made the whole process a lot clearer for you. Whether you're just starting your home ownership journey or exploring your options, VA loans offer some fantastic benefits that can make your dream home a reality. Remember, the most important step is just getting started. Confirm your eligibility, connect with a VA approved lender, and take that first step towards owning your own home. And of course, talk to your local realtor for help. If you're a veteran in California, don't forget to check out how VA loans compare to CalVet loans. Both are great options, but the right choice depends on your specific needs and situation. And I've created a video that breaks down CalVet loans and all you need to qualify. And you can see that on the card above or in the description box below. If you have any questions or want to schedule a free no-commitment consultation with us, all our contact details are in the description box below, and we can't wait to meet you. Remember, the right property for you is out there, and we are here to help you find it. Until next time, be blessed.